Screensaver.
Yeah.
And you get on your computer.
On my computer, yeah.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. All that means. Okay?
In fact.
And just like that now. Okay. Then it comes good here. I've got the gas. Now camera to check it. And then if there's anything to do. Don't go now. Okay. Like that this day. Have my open see all the new energy generators to be installed on the last 2 years ago. Okay. Okay, so then I just plan here. Okay, so here. Okay, plan here. Okay. Then it comes good here. I've got the gas. Now camera to check it. And then if there's anything to do. Don't go now. Okay. Like that this day. Have my open see all the new energy generators to be installed on the last 2 years ago. Okay. Okay, so then I just plan here. Okay, so here. Okay, plan here. Okay.
Hold on tight.
Hold right. Yeah, good guy.
In fact, you want to go in front?
I think it's up front, sure.
Then I can film you.
You're fine to go that guy. On the half, bit on the half. Half guy, yeah? And get down and get more. Until bottom of that. Okay.
What does the red light mean?
Stop.
So does that mean there's a train coming?
It's coming there.
Oh, I can feel these vibrating.
Yeah, sure.
Where from?
Yeah, for guns like guns like. Okay, yeah, sure.
Let's go all the way down.
I can't, I didn't find the 10 times coming. Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, good one. Yeah.
Have you seen those barbed wires?
Oh, right, yeah.
Look at them,
Okay, yeah.
You would not want to land on that,
Yeah, okay.
would you? Spiky.
Okay.
Let's go get a better view.
Good, yeah. Yeah, sure.
Take extra care when blue reflectors show icy conditions.
Good to see. And good to go here. Oh, okay. 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 And carry on. Okay.
They're not electric.
That's fine. Okay. There's not
Luce, keep the flash off.
I can't at the moment.
I don't think it's very good to have the flash in the
Not
driver's
you,
eyes,
not
is it?
you.
You can't flash it in the train driver's eyes.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
I don't think the flash is making it any better filming. Look, there's
Yeah,
a train coming.
I'm chilling. I'm chilling for me. What's on? I'm chilling. Wow, wait. That's fine. Coming out of here. That's good. Use long blade. Wow, blade, not bad. Wow, not bad. Good. Bye. And he's gone.
That was a long one.
And the other one.
Is the other one coming?
You've turned in it, you've turned close.
Has it moved?
Yeah, sure. Stand back.
I'm back. You're the one who's closer.
You can talk on you.
You be careful.
You can cancel. Yes, cancel. Oh no, the pen is looking now. The pen is looking now. Yes.
I don't think it's moving.
Yes, it's looking. Yeah, sure. It's looking. Yeah, sure.
On this side of you.
I'm trying here. So, it's looking.
Oh, my poor hands are cold.
In four hands and cold. Yeah, sure.
I should have worn gloves.
I'm going to have all the house again. It's looking.
I don't think it is.
I don't think it is. I think it is.
Definitely got closer.
Got so far. Yeah, sure.
It's going very, very slowly.
You can get slow playing there. It's looking.
Are you sure?
He's trying to find.
Yeah, it is coming this time.
He's trying to find. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
It's coming nice and slow.
This is okay. Well, here goes, away! There's my last time for you. There's the last time for you. Okay. You guys say goodbye. 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 I'll cook. And then the question to the lift.
You what?
The question lift, right?
You want to go back down the lift?
Down the lift there, sure.
Okay.
And then since I'm
I
going
know you quite like the lift, don't you?
I'm going to go to the lift. Go, slow. Slow hill. Down, slow hill. And then go slow.
Well, since our parking's free,
Yes,
is this
free.
going to be our normal nighttime excursion, is it?
Yeah, sure.
But, you know the drill. You know everything that needs to be done first. Including most of my paperwork needs to be done first as well, so we just go back and chill, yeah?
Chill and chill.
Yeah, and then you can edit till bed.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Can I? Yeah, let's go.
Next time we'll wrap up water machine.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, watching.
In fact, we can probably get
Yeah. Okay.
Need to warm up. Screensaver.
Yeah.
When you get on your computer.
I'm on computer, yeah. Fantastic. All about me. Okay?
In fact,
Fine. I'm just now. Okay.